Okay, we're back. Air Venture, 2023, 70th year here at Oshkosh. And we're here, and now you're here if you're watching us. So, but you need to be here in person. You need to watch all, see all this. You find entertainers, performers. You can find some musicians and some old mechanics hanging around every now and then. And I'm standing here with one of the mechanics. I think this guy. What's your name, sir? Aaron Tippon.
Yes, sir. Now what you needed? You needed a mags retimed, and you needed plugs. Is that what it?
Oil change, just oil change.
Okay,
yeah. Aaron, tell us what's going on in the Tippon world these days.
Hey man, we're on Warbirds, man. You know, we're Warbird folks. We enjoy fooling with these old airplanes. Both my boys are into it. Ted is a Warbird mechanic and aviation mechanic. So we just out here doing what we love to do. This is our one vacation a year that we come play airplanes. Yeah. We do it 2 times. We do it at Sunny Fun, we do it here. And so it's a big deal for us to be here. We also supporters of the Veterans Airlift Command. You can see the bus behind us. Mm-hmm. And that's Walt Fricky, and it's an organization that helps out the wounded warriors to get appointments when they're going to appointments stuff. Mm-hmm. And corporates, aviations, jets take these guys to all kinds of appointments and surgeries and stuff, and make sure their families can be with them. So it's a real cool thing, and a great organization to be with. We're real proud of it.
And Aaron, I met your son, that's why. You normally bring your girlfriend to events like this, but not all the time to your wife.
Oh no, yeah, I'm married over my head. You can see right here.
I know that. That's a fact. Over married is what we call it. But Aaron, your concert the other night was fantastic. There wasn't a dry eye in the place.
Well, I appreciate that. Yeah, you know, it was real special. That was me, my wife Thea, and Tom, my youngest son, who's down in Nashville trying to be a star too. So he's a songwriter type. So it's a lot of fun when we get together and just do the Tippon harmony, man. Mm-hmm. So it's a lot of fun for me, and what fun out here with my brothers and sisters and Warbirds, man. That was a great night for us.
And Aaron, you know, there's a lot of people say, man, how does he do that? I wish I could do that. Well, you can. There's only one person preventing you from doing what Aaron Tippon does, and that's you.
That'd be you.
Maintenance. How important is maintenance in aviation?
Oh man, that is the ticket. I mean, I'm also a certified aircraft mechanic. Like I said, my youngest, my oldest son, Teddy, he's IA and AP. And man, it is so important. And we grew up with a guy, my Uncle Billy, who was he was anal about aviation safety. You know, it started there, man. I mean, even if we were doing STC 337, if we were doing it, it didn't matter. He was going to think through that and make sure this is going to work, even though we had the paperwork right in our hands. He's that kind of guy, man. And we miss him so much. He left us a couple years ago, but man, he turned us into who we are as mechanics, and trying to make sure everything was exactly right.
Well, my dad didn't leave me a lot of money.
So good looking though.
I had to pay off some of his bills, but that's from his loin. But that's my mom. I got to show you a picture of my mom. But he did leave with one thing, that there's no money, there's no price. So he said, son, if you're going to do something, do it right.
Amen.
And that kind of spills it up to aviation. Aaron, we're going to sign off because we're over our 3-minute hack. But
okay, good. I need a nap.
Thank you for your time.
Pleasure.
Take it easy. All right, Ben Coleman, we're going to sign off this interview. We'll see you next time. Florida Aviation Network, live and in the clear.